everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a name in Mobile Legends. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change name on Mobile Legends game, you'll first need to open the app on your device. Once you open it up, get to this lobby page of Mobile Legends. You'll be able to see your name and your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of the lobby page. Tap on your avatar and then you'll be able to open up your profile page. Simply tap on the name that you are currently using for your profile and you can now enter a new name with the help of your keyboard. Or you can also tap on the dice symbol to randomize a pre-made name. Once you find the name that is suitable for you, you can tap on OK to set the name for yourself. Tap OK again and you've successfully changed your name on Mobile Legends. That was quite easy, wasn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.